Learn how to seamlessly integrate your Schlage smart lock with Google Home for voice control and remote access. This video covers compatible Schlage models like the Encode and Encode Plus, which work directly with Google Assistant. Quickly and easily lock or unlock your door using voice commands like "Hey Google, lock the front door." Before integrating your Schlage lock with Google Home, ensure you have a compatible Schlage lock that supports Wi-Fi or Z-Wave connectivity, such as the Encode series. You'll also need a stable Wi-Fi connection to ensure reliable communication between your devices. Download the Schlage Home app from your device's app store to set up and manage your lock. Download the Google Home app and ensure it's updated to version 3.2 or higher for the best compatibility. If you have an older Schlage model without built-in Wi-Fi or Z-Wave, you'll need a compatible hub like the Nest Hub for integration. Open the Google Home app and sign in. Tap Add, then Works with Google. Select Schlage from the list of available services. You'll be redirected to authorize the connection via OAuth. Sign in to your Schlage account to link it. This step is the core of enabling communication. Once linked, Google Assistant can control your lock. Use voice commands like "Hey Google, lock the front door," or "Hey Google, is the back door locked?" Ensure you've named your lock appropriately in the Schlage app for easy voice recognition. Google Assistant uses natural language processing to understand your commands. Advanced features include setting up guest access codes through the Schlage app. These codes provide temporary entry and can be managed or revoked easily. Once set up, you can control these codes using voice commands with Google Home. Explore automation options by setting up routines in Google Home. For example, create a routine that automatically locks the door at a specific time each night, or when you leave home based on location services. This requires enabling location sharing in Google Home settings. Schlage's Google Home integration uses end-to-end encryption to secure all voice commands and data transmission. This ensures that commands like lock or unlock are protected from interception. Regularly update your Schlage lock's firmware through the Schlage app to address security vulnerabilities and improve reliability. Be cautious about who has access to your Google Home account, as anyone with voice control can operate your lock. Review and manage account permissions regularly. Enable two-factor authentication on both your Google account and Schlage account for an additional layer of security against unauthorized access. The future of smart locks includes AI-driven automation. AI allows locks to learn your daily routines and automatically adjust security settings. Expect features like predictive unlocking based on location data. Your phone's GPS can signal the lock to unlock automatically when you arrive home. Voice biometrics provide enhanced security by analyzing unique voice patterns, making access more personalized and secure. Keep an eye out for Matter protocol updates, which will improve interoperability across smart home ecosystems, including seamless integration between Schlage locks and Google Home.